Years ago, we started to wonder what options trading would look like if you could track smart money activity. What if we could just integrate the most advanced algorithms, machine learning, and AI into one cost-effective data-driven software for retail traders? News, real-time order flow, proprietary alerts, and more. Welcome to Quant Data. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, our modern user interface and educational tips allow for a simple and easy understanding of our data. Using our innovative filtering system, you can easily create your own tailored filters to receive data on the securities that matter most to you. Know exactly what catalysts are affecting the market by using our sophisticated news sentiment tracking feed. Harness the power of machine-driven algorithmic signals to gain your edge in the markets today. Using our plethora of technology-driven market tools, let's bridge the gap between institutional traders and retail traders. Sign up for your 7-day free trial today.